My children, financial collapse is imminent. I hope you have taken this pause to prepare. Do not be like the foolish virgin who had no oil in her lamp. I have directed my children to places of refuge. Again, if you are in a place of danger and I have not provided or told you to leave, you are to stay put. Some of you will become street preachers overnight. Until this time, stay in my word, prayer, and continue to abide in the secret place of the Most High. I'll give you wisdom. Ask. I'll speak to you. Ask. If you want to be sure, fleece me or cast lots. This practice must only be done by those who walk in the Spirit with me. They are familiar spirits who wish to steer you wrong. Prayer and time with me is your only assurance. Once we have a relationship, my words will flow to you easily. My sheep, hear my voice. Please do not be distracted any longer. My greatest wish is for you to come to my house, my kingdom, not to continue through times that have never been. Spend the time now. You will withstand and not be moved by the coming events. Detach from Babylon. Stop letting her brainwash you with her lies. Repent. Come to me. My children, come sup with me for a while. I'll give you rest for your weary hearts and minds. Seek me. I'll restore a bolder and vibrant you. This is not a time to fade away. I speak heavenly boldness, meekness, humility, and joy into your spirits. A noticeable renewal comes to all my saints. The wicked will soon know who my children are. They will be the ones still standing after the global financial collapse. They will have provision, food, and a place to lay their heads, while the wicked search for a place to stay every night. My children, I know this hurts your heart, but this is their judgment. I have taken their jobs, now it will be their homes. Then any wealth they had left, they would stand naked as they did when they entered this world. Naked mankind comes, naked he leaves. I protect my children from the evil ones. Be prepared to tell the lost ones the good news. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. No one. Take advantage of every quiet day I give you. Chaos is coming. When there's no work, food, or housing, the masses will go crazy. Sow your seed now. Pray for those around you. Even those on a fixed budget can afford a bag of rice and beans. Feed yourselves and watch me multiply your storehouse to feed the masses. Miracles will be the highlight of your coming days. But do not be deceived by the enemy. He will also give signs and wonders. His signs and wonders will be confused by my works through you, by those who do not know my word. Know my word, so you are not swept up by the great deception. My sheep know my voice. Do you know me? Do I know you? How will you get through what is coming without me? Draw near to me. Rest your weary heads into my bosom, as John frequently did. Intimacy with me will be the key in the coming days. Do not end up like the church of Laodicea. Most of today's churches have no reference or fear of me. I will spew them all out of my mouth. They are not of me. If you claim to be mine, do not embarrass my good name. Be a good steward of my name. Repent to everyone should you fall. I will restore you. They will respect my good name. Their very souls depend on your excellent work with me. Too much pressure, you say? Do you think the alternative is better? You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Do not be a cop out. I'll spew you out of my mouth, send you away. I am very serious about these things. Time for all of you is very short. Trust my word, trust me. I cannot tell the enemy of my plans. I am here, I am waiting. I am at the very door knocking. Won't you let me in? Love, Jesus, Yeshua, HaMashiach.